Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to upload theme in Shopify. First of all, using a paid Shopify theme can be great when it comes to flexibility and customization, but it can also get a little bit pricey. So if you'd rather use a free Shopify theme for Shopify store, you can do that by adding a free theme in your Shopify bin. So for to do that, uh, head over to your online store, which is on the left hand side. From there, we'll be taken to the theme screen. So click on the themes button. Now for uh, uploading a theme, first you have to do is to install a new free theme and replace the current one. So all we have to do is head on down to theme library and click on free themes, explore free themes. From there, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options that you can choose from. And if you can click on them, it will tell you the different features and kind of just give you a preview as to what the theme looks like. So you can go ahead and have a peek. Now, once you decide on a free theme, you can either head on up to the right corner and click try theme, or we can head on back to the Shopify admin and select it from there. To do that, we click on the theme and then hit add to theme library. So once it's done installing the theme, it will say just add it, so that you know that it's done and ready to go. From there, simply click on actions. You can hit preview to preview your site now and to see what the theme looks like if you're good with it. So now you can hit publish. From there, Shopify will ask you, are you sure you want to go ahead and publish this new theme? It will replace your current theme. So if you're okay with that, go ahead and hit publish. So now the theme is live. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.